former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko Gideon Mbuvi Kioko due to his involvement in significant corruption. This designation renders Mike Sonko and his immediate family members ineligible for entry into the United States. Former Governor Sonko's corruption has been widely reported in local and international press. The department reaffirms the need for accountability, transparency, and respect for the rule of law in Kenya's democratic institutions, government processes, and the actions of public officials. The United States will continue to use all tools available to combat corruption and promote respect for human rights globally. Section 7031C of Fiscal Year 2021 Department of State Foreign Operations and Related Program Appropriations Act that officials of foreign governments and their immediate family members about whom the Secretary of State has credible information of direct or indirect involvement in significant corruption or a gross violation of human rights are ineligible for entry into the United States.